Premature aging is often caused by everyday lifestyle and environmental factors that many people overlook. From wrinkles and age spots to dry skin and loss of firmness, the warning signs may already be visible. The good news is that simple healthy habits can help slow down the process before it's too late. Sign number 1, wrinkles and age spots. One of the earliest signs of premature aging appears on your skin. If you're noticing wrinkles, age spots, dryness, or a loss of skin firmness earlier than expected, your body may be aging faster than it should. Long-term sun exposure, stress, poor sleep, and unhealthy lifestyle habits can all contribute to these changes. These changes usually start very slowly, like fine lines around the eyes, forehead, or mouth. Over time, they become deeper and more visible. Sun exposure is one of the biggest reasons because UV rays damage collagen and reduce skin elasticity. Pollution and lack of proper skincare also speed up this process. If ignored, these early signs become permanent and much harder to treat later in life. Sign number 2, hair loss or premature graying. Another common warning sign is hair that starts thinning or turning gray at a younger age. While genetics can play a role, factors like chronic stress, nutritional deficiencies, and smoking may accelerate the aging process and affect hair health. Hair health depends a lot on your internal body condition. When your body lacks important nutrients like vitamins, iron, and protein, hair becomes weak and starts falling more than usual. Stress also disrupts the natural hair growth cycle and increases shedding. Premature graying happens when pigment cells in hair follicles become weak. A healthy diet and stress control can slow down this process. Sign number 3, a gaunt or tired-looking face. If your face appears more hollow with sunken cheeks or a constantly tired look, it could be due to a loss of collagen and facial fat. These changes can make a person look older than their actual age. This condition usually develops due to poor sleep, dehydration, or unhealthy lifestyle habits. Even young people can start looking tired if their body is not properly nourished. Loss of skin elasticity and volume makes the face look dull and aged. Proper hydration, balanced diet, and good sleep can help restore a fresher and healthier appearance. Now that we've covered some of the most common signs of premature aging, it's important to understand what causes these changes in the first place. Everyday habits and lifestyle choices can speed up the aging process without us even realizing it. Cause number 1, smoking. Smoking is one of the biggest factors behind premature aging. The harmful chemicals in cigarettes damage collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for keeping skin firm and youthful. Over time, this leads to wrinkles, sagging skin, and a tired appearance. Smoking also reduces blood flow in the body, which means skin cells do not get enough oxygen and nutrients. This makes the skin look dull, dry, and older than its actual age. Even passive smoking can contribute to similar damage. Cause number 2, an unhealthy diet. What you eat has a major impact on how fast your body ages. Diets high in sugar and processed foods can speed up aging, while nutrient-rich foods like fruits and vegetables support healthy and younger-looking skin. Excess sugar damages collagen and reduces skin elasticity, making wrinkles appear faster. On the other hand, antioxidants in healthy foods help repair skin cells and protect them from damage. Poor diet also affects energy levels, immunity, and overall health. Cause number 3, excessive alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol can dehydrate the body and reduce the skin's natural glow. Over time, this leads to dryness, dullness, and visible signs of premature aging. Alcohol also affects liver function, which is responsible for removing toxins from the body. When toxins build up, they start showing on the skin. It also disturbs sleep, which further accelerates the aging process. Cause number 4, poor sleep habits. Your body repairs itself while you sleep. When you regularly get poor or insufficient sleep, your cells do not get enough time to recover, which speeds up aging. Lack of sleep increases stress hormones and reduces collagen production. This leads to dark circles, dull skin, and faster formation of wrinkles. Consistent and quality sleep is essential for youthful skin. Cause number 5, chronic stress. Long-term stress does not just affect your mood, it also affects your appearance. High stress levels increase cortisol, a hormone that reduces collagen and makes skin lose firmness. Stress also leads to unhealthy habits like poor eating, smoking, and lack of sleep, which further speed up aging. Managing stress is very important for maintaining both mental and physical health. Care and treatment. Protect your skin from the sun. Take steps to protect yourself from sun damage. One of the most effective ways to slow premature aging is to protect your skin from excessive sun exposure. Wearing sunscreen regularly and limiting direct sunlight can help reduce skin damage and maintain a youthful appearance. Wear protective clothing, including hats and sunglasses. UV rays are one of the main causes of early wrinkles and pigmentation. Even short exposure can cause long-term damage, so daily protection is necessary. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and essential nutrients supports healthy skin and overall well-being. Staying hydrated and avoiding processed foods also helps slow aging. Try to reduce stress as much as possible. Simple daily habits like exercise, clean eating, and proper hydration can make a big difference in how your body ages over time. Prioritize quality sleep. Getting enough quality sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate itself. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule for healthier skin and better overall health. Getting less than 7 hours of sleep can age your body faster. Good sleep improves skin texture, boosts energy, and keeps your body functioning properly. It is one of the most important anti-aging habits. Conclusion: while aging is a natural part of life, premature aging is often influenced by everyday habits and environmental factors. By recognizing the early signs and making healthier lifestyle choices, you can help protect your body, maintain healthier skin, and age more gracefully over time. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more.